Hi YouTube, how you doing? It's Valerie. So my hair's up right now. As you guys know, I get keratin treatments, and my last keratin was in January 6th of 2019 in preparation, or was it the 16th? The 6th or the 16th. It was in preparation for the hair growth challenge, and I wanted my hair to be nice and smooth and straight so you could really see my progress. Well, that was months ago. That was a lot of biotin and selenium ago. So my hair has grown a lot, and my hair is super frizzy, tons of new growth, everything like that. But I did blow dry it Sunday morning. So it's not as, frizzy and everything, but it's not bone straight by any means. Again, my hair is not bone straight. So let me just, okay. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, okay. So this is my new growth. I don't know if you can see it. The frizz, I have about that much. See, oh yeah, you can totally see the new growth for where I need a keratin. And that's way more than what I cut off. Well, maybe it's about 1.5 inches. I don't know. No, probably more than that. I don't know. I'd have to wet it to really be sure. Nice and thick. Make sure you guys can see. Oh gosh. It's kind of matted up. And it's wavy from being in a bun. So, let me see if I can show you guys. Hoping I don't smack myself in the head with this mirror here. So yeah, my hair is so healthy, so full, so shiny, so thick. Okay, so now let me see if I can step up here and show you guys. So let me see if I can kind of brush it out and then show you again, because it's kind of matted up inside. So I'm trying to get at the root as best as I can. Oh boy, look at this. Look at that frizz. Oh. As your hair gets longer, especially when you have curly hair, ethnic hair, most of your brushing and combing is done with your fingers. There's no way, if I just brushed through my hair, like, I wouldn't have hair. Oh, and it feels so good, oh my gosh. Trying to get in these roots. Oh yeah, definitely looks better. Okay. So yeah, also want to show you guys something else. So when I got a trim, I was telling the stylist how, I'm trying to, grow my hair and everything like that. And that, I'm trying to keep my ends as healthy as possible. So she told me something I've never heard of that I'm so excited to be trying now. And I've been doing this since I got my trim, which was in February. So I don't know, you guys tell me, have you heard of this stuff before? But anyways, it's called Seal the Deal by Strong Sexy Hair, Seal the Deal. And literally what it is, it's a split end preventer / mender. And she said that you know, that it's a miracle, like it's miracle stuff. So it's like, I don't know what's in it, but you put it at keep it at the ends of your hair, and it literally makes your hair to where you will not need, like, have split ends. So I have been using this, and I feel like I see a difference. Let me see if I can show you the ends of my hair. So, mind you, I did just get a trim. And I have like slight layers, so I don't know if that will, but yeah, see, these are my ends. I don't know, can you see? Probably not. But anyways, I'll give you guys an update after I try it for a while. Oh wow, look at all this frizz. But yeah, let me show you what I do. So I always take my hair and split it into 2 sections like this. Because again, you guys know I don't have the thickest hair in the world. So I put a little bit in my hands, probably like a quarter size amount. And then I just start at the ends like this and literally work it in. Yeah, and that's all I do. And the directions say you can apply it to dry hair or wet hair. I prefer dry hair just because wet, I don't know. I just really want my ends to get the full benefit of the split ender, okay? And look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference. I don't know if you can see it, but the difference is incredible, like instantly. You can't really tell, geez. Unless you're in person, you can see it. But yeah, now you can see my trim better this way too. Let me do it like this. See my trim? Very nice trim. So again, I just take about a quarter size amount, like that, except it's not in a perfect quarter shape. Rub my hands together like so. Then I just take my hair, start at the ends, work it in very well, and then I just work my way up the rest of my hair. See, you can see my trim now, much better, right? I'm gonna tell myself I'm gonna give it 2 months. And that should be good. So now I'm just gonna brush my hair back up into its nice little bun. Oh my gosh. I've got like 2 different textures going on for reals, guys. Between the keratin hair and the non-keratin hair. If I do get a keratin treatment, I'll do an update and show you guys. Okay? Well, anyways, that's what's going on with my hair right now. So again, I will let you guys know in a couple months how I like the Seal the Deal. Again, it's called Seal the Deal. And it's made with aloe vera and mango butter. I love it. So yeah, I'll let you guys know. And if I get a keratin treatment, I'll just quickly do my best to pop on and do a video and show you guys what my hair is looking like. Well, anyways, guys, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Bye.